The rear window switches on the Cayenne are famous for failing or getting so loose they need to be replaced. This video will show you how. Begin by using a trim removal tool and lifting up the armrest. Start lifting closest to the switch. Once the armrest is free, you can lift it up and off, red arrow. The armrest is held in place by a series of clips in the door panel, red arrows. Use a trim removal tool and starting at the rear, release the lower trim piece from the door panel and remove it. Use your trim removal tool and gently lift the switch mounting plate up and out from the panel. Lift the plate and switch together out from the panel. Press in on the 4 metal tabs and slide the switch out from the plate. There is a very small tab that holds the wiring connection to the switch, red arrow. Release this and separate the connection. Installation is the reverse of removal. To teach the end positions, reinstall everything and start the vehicle. Pull the rocker switch up until the window is fully closed, then pull the switch up again and the upper position is stored. Press the rocker switch down until the window is fully open, then press the switch down again. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.